to show you how to add a music in your Canva video. So let's get into it. First, what you guys need to do is you're going to open up your canva.com and you will land right here. Now you're going to select the video canvas and open up your editor right here. So you need to upload the video you want to edit or the video you have created. In my case, I have this video right here where I want to add music. So you can see it's a simple video and I want to add music. So for that, we have to go to apps right here. In apps, you have to just scroll down a little bit to find more from Canva. And here we have photo, video, background, chart, and audio option. So here you will find the audio option if you cannot see it right here. So you can see we also have the audio option right here under our projects. But if you cannot find it right here, you're going to click on apps and then scroll down a little bit and you will find more from Canva, and here you will find music. So I'm going to go to the audio right here, audio or music. It's going to be like with this name. Then it will take you to the audio section, and here we have a lot of different sound and music to choose from. You will be able to find different kind of genres. We have different moods, and you will get free music as well as paid. So you can see there are a lot of free music available as well if you do not have Canva Pro. You can actually listen to the music before selecting it. For instance, this one right here. So I will select this audio. In order to add it, you just have to select it and it's added in your video. You will be able to see the stamp right here of the music just under your video. It will also show you where it has been added in what scene. So I want to add it to the first scene right here. So I'm going to adjust it right here and place it in the beginning from right here. And it will be added like this. Make sure you place your cursor where you want to add the music. So now I have this music right here in my first slide, and if I play it for you guys, this is what it will look like. Perfect. I can also click on these three dots to adjust the volume of the track. So I'm going to actually reduce the volume a little bit. So let's just take it to 65, and I can also add different effects to the audio or delete the track as well. So this is how we add music to a video on Canva. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.